The weather company forecasts have always helped people make decisions. What to wear, what road to take, when to go. But this is a new era. An era where weather decisions are business decisions. Where the weather company helps organizations anticipate the weather's impact and make proactive choices. In Texas, with help from the weather company, a cotton farmer manages irrigation and fertilization schedules in season and optimizes harvest logistics. And the trucking company transporting that cotton is rerouted around dense fog in Northern California, enabling drivers to deliver shipments on schedule. By making real-time, weather-based routing decisions, the trucking company improves delivery time and lowers insurance costs. Not to mention, they keep a certain clothing manufacturer happy. Next, the weather company enables a utility company to understand precise energy load and demand and match them to production on a particularly hot day in Oregon, where a clothing factory keeps running like clockwork. The sweaters made there are distributed to retailers around the country, and the weather company helps each store manager determine the onset of the fall season for that particular region. In Raleigh, there's a cold snap coming in October, so the local manager stages the sweaters in the front of the store and initiates media activity to let customers know about the fall's hottest styles. In the end, the weather company not only brings shoppers a sweater that fits just right, it empowers every business along the way to make choices that fit.
Perfect.
This is only one weather story. The weather company is powering so many others because we're going beyond the forecast, enabling better decisions and transforming business.